Hi there. Are you a new mom who have delivered a baby in the past 2 months or in the past 2 years, and you are still struggling to get back to your normalcy and understand what a mom goes through, and also understand that you wish to get back to your strength and normalcy to the earliest possible? Imagine you practicing on a yoga mat every day and regaining your strength back again, and you are more confident in your body again. Isn't it sounding interesting for you? Let's see how to make it possible. I'm Dr. Subhadra Bhupadaraju, yoga therapist. I have done my course in yoga in 2006 from the Andhra University, and after that I have joined in a corporate hospitals in Hyderabad. And being a HOD of yoga-based cardiac rehabilitation, I have seen close all the cancer patients, how they get back to their health post surgeries, and also I have helped many moms to get back to their normalcy post delivery, because many of them were having a postpartum blues and depressive moments and not able to take the challenges of being a new motherhood. I help them a lot. Right now, I'm associated with the Asian Spine Hospital in Hyderabad, and I'm running my own studio called Subhadra's Yoga for You with a team of yoga teachers, naturopaths, and the physiotherapists. My mission is simple: to help the mothers under 40 years of their age to regain their health and well-being as early as possible. I can understand what is a motherhood because I also went through 32 years ago. Then it wasn't easy for me to take the help from anyone, and it took many years for me to get back to my shape and my confidence back again. But the good news is, it doesn't have to be that hard for you. Today we have solutions, and time matters. The sooner you start, the sooner you can feel like yourself again. What if I tell you that even a few minutes of yoga every day can bring a lot of difference in you? I have taught many young mothers how to take in some me time for yoga. Even with the busiest schedules, women like Nikla Reddy, Srishti, Shruti, and all of them have gained back their health postnatal with lot of ease, and they're happy with the new member in their family. And the solution is simple: by grabbing your mat and then setting aside some time each day, whether in the late mornings or evenings, to practice. In my upcoming webinar, I'll walk you through exactly how to do this. So, if you're a new mom who had a C-section just 2 months back, or a normal delivery just 40 days ago, or a mom who wants to get back to their fitness even if you have delivered your baby 4 years or 5 years back, here is the solution for you. And this webinar is for you. Reserve your spot now and let's transform together. It's time to bounce back stronger and discover the safe and holistic way to rebuild both your body and mind after childbirth. I can't wait to see you at the midpath. See you there soon.